guys, my name is Kumba Aja. Welcome to my channel. This is my first time doing this YouTube thing. I wanted to do it to motivate a woman and to just like help a lot of people that suffer the same problems that I was going through, because it was a very emotional part of my life, and I just wanted to share my story with you guys. So a year ago, I was going through so much with my relationship, with family, with work and everything, and I started, every time I stress, I started breaking out, or I started losing weight in a major way. But this time it was like all over my face, like you could see it all through my skin, which like growing up I always used to break out a little bit, but I had like smooth skin, my complexion was even, I didn't worry about it as much as I did getting old. It was so embarrassing, you guys, that like I didn't care what people was going to say anymore about like, oh my god, look at her face, oh she looks disgusting, ew, like what is that? Because that's how I felt. But then I was like, if I don't do something about it, then this is never going to get better. So I met one of my girlfriends named Rhoda. That's who introduced me to the product that I use now. She was like, girl, like we have the same skin, like this happened to me before. I was breaking out really bad, and I started using these products, and that's what helped my skin. So she was like, it's called Desire Diva. She was like, it's an African black soap, and she was like, I swear, just try it for 2 weeks, it's going to work. And I was like, okay, I done used so many different products before and they didn't work. And I started using the product, you guys. I mean, as you can see, like look at that like picture, it's terrible, it's nasty, I get it, I know. I felt the same way, like I felt so disgusted, like I was just like, oh my god. But after I started using it, 2 weeks after I started using these products, you guys, I started seeing results. Like if you can see this picture, you can see that like how the process of this product was working. Like a month after using the product, I could see my face clear up. And of course I was drinking water. Make sure y'all drink a lot of water. Like literally I stopped juice, I stopped pop, everything. And I love those things. And I was eating so much fried food too, which probably like was the reason why it was, damaging my skin even more. So I was just like, I feel bad. Like I cried, you guys, almost every day. I was like, I wonder what other women are going through, or other people, man, woman, kids, whoever. Like I wonder what they going through. The same people that break outs like this. So I was like, you know what? I'm not going to wear makeup to hide, this. Like at a point in time, I was hiding a lot of my insecurities through my makeup, and I just know that that's not gonna help nobody. It's not going to help me like get better at all. So I was just like, you know what? I have to help myself. I have to make sure like I take care of me so good that like I could help other people. So a month ago, before the new year, I posted a before and after picture of my skin and share my story, everything that I was going through on Instagram. And I was just like, I'm going through so much inside that like I didn't want to hide that anymore. Like I didn't want to hide who I was. So I was like, I'm just gonna put it out there. And then I put it there, and you guys, when I was scared, I was so afraid to post my picture. And I was just like, what I have to lose? Like either people gonna like my story, or either they gonna hate it, or they gonna whatever they think. I said, but I'm doing this for me. So I posted it, and I have so many of my Instagram followers, you guys, so many of them supporting me. It was so happy writing on my comment. Like I'm getting emotional because it was so happy, and I was just like, I didn't get not one negative comment, like none on my social media, and that motivated me. So that's when I started doing a video, the YouTube. So I'm going to show you guys my daily routine, and I'm going to show you guys my nightly routine. Okay, let's get to it. So the first video I'll be showing you guys is how to use my products during the day before I go to work or anything. Every morning when I wake up, the products I use. So I get my products from Desire Diva. and I use is the African black soap. This is not any typical African black soap. This African black soap is made just for acne or like skin irritations and things like that. It's handmade in West Africa, where I'm from, represent. So what I do is, like, of course you have to wash your hands before anything. So my hands is already wet, so I'll like scoop a little bit of the product. As you can see, the label of the product is gone because I use the product in the shower. So I'll like scoop a little bit and I rub it around my hands. Then I put it all over my face. Like I'll scrub it like just, you know, till I just feel like the soap is in there.
Sweet love, sweet, give me my love, come give me some.
Then I'll get my little brush. This brush is literally $2. I got it from TJ Maxx. I replace it every 2 months just because it's a cheap brush. I don't want to keep using, you know, something that's like super cheap in my face, but then I don't feel like I need, you know, an expensive brush to wash my face, because I wash it properly every day. So I'll like wet the brush and I put the product in the brush as well, and I scrub it all over my face. So I scrub it till I feel like, you know, feel comfortable or whatever. I wash it off. So since I'm low in the products, I usually don't do this, but I'm going to pick my nightly routine product, which is the Acne Abolisher, and I usually leave the product in my face till, like, you know, after I get in the shower, wash the rest of my body, and then like I'll wash it off. So I'll like wash my face literally 3 times like in the morning. So I'll wash it the first time and wash it again like with water. Then like I'll rub the product and let it sit in there, and then get in the shower, wash my body, then wash the product off. Then after that, I'm going to show you guys the moisturizer that I use during the day. So before I, you know, put any type of moisturizer on my face, I'll make sure that my face is completely dry before I put anything else. So the first product I use before, you know, my regular moisturizer is the Aloe Vera gel. So the Aloe Vera plant is antibacterial extract, which is good for your skin. It's very good for your skin because it helps soothe, moisturize, and heal irritated skin. So I usually let mine dry for at least like 2 to 3 minutes before I put my other moisturizer on top of it, because that's not the only thing I use. I use the aloe vera gel to help with dark marks and anything like irritating skin and all of that.
Baby girl, what we consign them. Baby girl, keep it on the low, on the low. Baby girl.
And the second product that I use on top of that is the Cetaphil products. First of all, I never used Cetaphil growing up because I never used to even put moisturizer. I just didn't think that I needed it. You know, growing up in Africa, like, we're not used to that. We just don't put moisturizer in our face. So I use the Cetaphil moisturizer. Is an oil control moisturizer, the one I use during the day because I have a very oily skin, and it's Acne Pro Skin, and it also has sunscreen that's for my daily routine. So I use that to put on top because it helps with control your oil during the day. You know, you're gonna be out all day, so I know as I get oily, and I know most women have the same problem. So after my aloe vera, I'll put my Cetaphil moisturizer, and that's what I use during the day. But you guys, make sure you drink a lot of water. Take care of your skin. Make sure you like keep up with the routine. You know, like make sure you just follow up. Be consistent with everything you do when it comes to your skin. Everything you do. And I'm still working on my skin, so I'm not saying that my skin is completely smooth, but it's literally way better than what it used to be, as you can see from the pictures that I'm showing you guys. Okay guys, so the second video that I will be talking about is my nightly routine. So the nightly routine, like I said earlier, always make sure you guys wash your hands before you touch your face. The black soap is excellent for treatment of acne, eczema, and other skin irritations. It's completely natural, you guys, so you don't have to worry about any harsh chemical irritating your skin or anything like that. This African black soap is mixed with palm kernel oil, African coffee, tea tree oil, and cocoa and ash. So that's what I use as a face wash during the night, because it has those grains that, like, when you washing your face, you can feel it like rubbing through, like through your skin. Like, this product is literally, you guys, my best friend. I use a little bit and I put it all over my face. I scrub it. I wash my face 2 times. I'll scrub it around till I feel like the products is in there. Then I'll like put a little bit, just like I did in the morning routine. And I also use my brush as well to scrub it the second time that I wash it. So I use my brush. I put a little bit in the brush and start scrubbing my face with it. So after I use the Abolisher, rinse it out, I make sure my face is dry. And I'll make sure, like, the towel that you use, make sure you're not wiping your body with the same towel you wiping your face with. So I use the same Aloe Vera moisturizer at night too, because it helps with dark marks and irritating skin. And so after I use it, I'll leave it up for 2 and 3 minutes so it can dry before I use my Cetaphil moisturizer. So the Cetaphil moisturizer I use during the nighttime is literally different from the day, because the daily one is for acne and it's for oil control skin, and the nightly moisturizer I use is also is a hydrating nightly cream, because it helps retain skin nature moisturizer by rehydrating and protecting from dryness overnight. So I'll use that on top of the aloe vera. So this is the nightly cream that I use before I go to bed. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys are sharing. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Let me know what next video you guys want to see from me. If you guys want to see different ways that I exfoliate my skin, or different masks that I use, or how to remove dark spots, just comment below. Let me know how I can help you. And inshallah, we will make sure our skin is the way it's supposed to be. Thank you for watching.